Welcome to Neraxon Game of Life 2.0. I'm David Vivancos, and I'm here narrating you what is happening in this new game. Now we have the simulation of Earth, and of course this is not the research version, it's the light version. Let's go directly to the game. I will show you the config setups later. As you can see, the game is like the previous version, but now the difference is that you can select this Earth-like map of different sizes, of course, like in the previous ones. And this is one of the key improvements, but it's not the main one. The main one is we have do something with the Neuraxoners, and one of the things that we have done is include new sensory data. If you remember previous, they just were like if they were blind, and now they can see. They have a vision range of about 3, this one, maybe different depending on the Neuraxoner, and this one is facing south, and he has also a smell radius. Basically, if there is some food around him, he will be able to detect it. And another key thing is that we have included the clans. Clans meaning that when Neuraxoners start to mate, for the moment there is no newborns, will be probably quite soon, they can start to have like some sort of families of clans of Neuraxoners. And these clans also can, for example, share food and do other stuff that we will be including more inputs on Neuraxon's input and outputs. So basically they can have like different behaviors and better behaviors if they are inside a clan, if they're able to reach that point. Regarding the other parameters, they are the same. Basically, you can set up the world size. It is usually best if you choose 150, if you use the simulated Earth. It is done by default. You can see the number of sea, rock, the number of Neuraxoners to start. We can start with a lot of more of them, for example, if you want to try that. So as you can see, it's a very crowded map. We have 400 Neuraxoners alive in this new map. A lot of people here in the North Pole. And as you can see, the behavior will be a start to come across all these different things that they can move around, different aspects. Also, it's interesting that you can also change here different things like the food, the starting food, the maximum number of Neuraxoners, and other stuff that you can change very easily around here. So, well, if you don't want to use the simulated Earth, you can still use this random Earth. So basically, it is not. We have included here that all the, as you can see, all the mountains are grouped in these versions, and some sort of lakes and rivers are also around in this new world. So basically, there are a few things that we have included to help this. If you want to have more borns, of course, the size of the map matters, because if they are close together, they won't be able to reach that. So, well, I hope you enjoy this game.